Hello everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm at Balmoral Beach in North Sydney and I'm going to show you around. So here we go. Balmoral Beach is in North Sydney. It's a quiet suburb with a really lovely beach with calm water, not too many waves. So it's a nice place to bring children. There happens to be a lot of children down on the beach today. So I found my way into this little sort of embankment in the middle of the beach where there doesn't seem to be so many people, so you can just relax a little bit. I'm sitting just up here. I hope the wind isn't affecting the video too much. So there's a few rocks where you can do a little bit of sunbaking, maybe climb down a little. So there's a few more little spots down here where you can go for a little sunbake. Not really sure what this is. Very strange. Maybe it's something hot. I don't know. Don't have a clue. Let's see what the sign says. Edwards Beach Shark Net. In the early 1900s, public swimming had become increasingly popular and many residents and beach users enjoyed bathing at Balmoral. A number of fatal shark attacks occurred in the middle harbour. In these early years, public fears began to spread and the local community urged councils to put in some shark protection measures. Okay, so that must be the remnants of a shark net. I'll go for a quick little wander down to the beach, try and get to the water so you can see how clear it is. So as some of you may know, I live in the inner west of Sydney, which is on the other side of the harbour bridge from here. So to get here from my house is about a 40-minute drive. So if you're around Stratfield or anywhere in the inner west really, it'll take you about 40 minutes to get here with average traffic. As most beaches in Sydney, you have to pay for parking anywhere really close to the beach, but I went 2 streets back and managed to find unmetered parking with no time restriction. It's allergy season here in Australia and I'm allergic to Australian pollen, so that's why my nose is a little bit blocked and you might see me keep rubbing my nose. Alright, let's show you what the water looks like. So as you can see, it's quite clear. It's a little bit darker A little bit darker right at the edge of the sand because there's some black sand here. So the water looks a little bit murkier at the edge where it's rubbing, like washing up all the black sand. But if you go a little bit further out, you might be able to see how it gets bluer the further you get out. So this is the left side of Balmoral Beach. And there's another side to it. On the other side of these rocks and embankment, or whatever you might call that little hill. Just got some sand in my shoes. And this is the other side. And the main street has a few little cafes and shops where you can buy something to eat. There's a restaurant down the end called the Watershed, which is really nice. They have some cocktails and a small lunch menu. I went there earlier. You might be able to see it right across the water where the jetty is. And there's also a park here if you wanted to have a bit of a picnic away from the sand. So once again, this is a Pandemic Traveller video and I'm at Balmoral Beach. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about where I've been today or any questions in general, feel free to leave a comment. Please like and subscribe and share my video with anyone that you think might be interested in watching it. So once again, Pandemic Traveller, peace out. Thanks for watching.